Today I'll show you how to delete cookies on Chrome. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click on the three dots in the top right corner, then select Settings. Next, go to Privacy and Security and click on Delete Browsing Data. In the pop-up window, choose the time range. You can select last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. Make sure to check cookies and other site data. You can also select cached images and files if you want to free up space. Now, click Delete Data to clear all selected cookies. If you want to manage cookies for specific sites, go back to Privacy and Security. Then click on Site Settings, then View Permissions and Data stored across sites. Here, you can delete cookies for individual websites. That's it! Now you know how to delete cookies on Chrome.